What's up? It's your girl Z with Female Hustle Inc., bringing you the premiere of my new equipment. So if you want to know what was inside the crate, stay tuned. Get ready. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I also forgot to mention that this is the premiere of my new space. I did downgrade to a smaller space because it was more functional. Wait, what is this? What? Okay. What was in the crate? The space is empty. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see. What was in that crate? Bam! Yes. There it is, y'all. There it is. Yes, y'all. I am now part of the Embroidery Club. Stay tuned for exciting videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so you are notified each and every single time I upload a video. Thank you for watching.